well, before I did the apprenticeship, I was at school. I know I finished school about August 2016, and from there I didn't really enjoy the education of the school system, so I want to branch out into a bit more IT really. And if I went to college, I didn't believe the IT kind of education around there is like as good as apprenticeship would provide, because I don't want to do a different subject as well. I just want to fully concentrate on IT. So I thought going for apprenticeship is a lot more flexible, because you get paid while you're learning at the same time, and I know it's a lot beneficial to the actual younger people really than trying to really force yourself to go to college. So with my job role, I think, well, we have different projects here at Data Clarity, and one of the projects is a data analysis system, and I've kind of took up the role of really taking over the front end and the back end, so doing a lot of the JavaScript and HTML to the C# and the very back end logic. So I know I do a lot of the, I take over quite a lot of projects like that really. Day-to-day basis, I go from doing new development to bug fixes to having meetings about new developments in the future. It kind of flexes my skills a lot really. So one day I could be doing all-day development, the next day I could be doing an all-day meeting. It's very much, every day is different really. Well, at the minute I did the IT apprenticeship. No, I did the IT one while the other was doing development one. I did the IT one, which took a lot into networking, did a lot of the networks. So how did routers and simple kind of network principles work. And for me, the network kind of helped me a lot when I came to doing a lot of the working with servers and etc. And I kind of knew without any knowledge previously what to do straight away. I know, learn from the actual, coming to actually developing my own job. So my actual job role is to develop, then actually doing any network. I know a lot of the actual senior developers kind of sought out my knowledge before that really. I'd say, I know the actual network part of it though, learn about servers and learn about what to do over there. Phrase kind of covered that for me. Well, I know personal development as well, probably Phrase as well. A lot of my personal kind of key skills really, which out my job role, so writing documents, emailing, they kind of told you what my key skills needs to be over there. So most beneficial for me in the job role was kind of finding out my own independence of learning and my own independence of taking a problem on. So actually, I'll give an example of if I have a problem with one of the projects, I don't know what to do straight away. Instead of me trying to find help straight away for other people, I kind of independently learn what the actual problem is and how to sort it out, and actually take the time out to do my own independent learning. So when I come to that problem again, I kind of find a solution to it. Coming from Phrase-wise though, Phrase is it's very key, professional-wise, what to do. So the Phrase kind of teach me how to act professional and how to actually take on situations professionally as well. Any customers have a problem with the project, how do I take that on professionally really, and how do I kind of deal with the problem for the customer professionally. I say it's well, the thing I'll tell people about the Phrase apprenticeship, it's very much relaxing really. I mean, you don't have to worry about too much about deadlines. It's more a calm environment, and it's more about your it's more about your learning, and then actually trying to set you up to fail really. The entire kind of apprenticeship is kind of makes you to be the person you want to be really, then trying to set you up to fail when you go to the job role or anything like that really. I say it's a very good for any ages. So if you're looking at going to university, apprenticeships are maybe better because it's for any age really. It doesn't really stop you going really. Well, mentoring apprentices, I always think about when I started really, and then what did I know when I started. I mean, already the guys know more than I did. It's more the key factor I try to teach them is the independent learning of it. So I know instead of coming to me about something, you look on the internet for it, you try to find out the problem, you're trying to find out the solution yourself really. I know one thing I did tell them about the apprenticeship itself, I know take your time with the coursework, take your time with any coursework you do, because it's a quite a long period you're doing the actual coursework, and you can even get it done quite early. It's more just take your time with it, make sure what you're doing is correct, and 3a's will help you out. They help that as well. I said mentoring as well. I don't take out time my own kind of way to kind of push myself to mentor them. If they've got any problems, I'll take them through the problem, I'll take them through it slowly, and anything they need development on, I'll teach them that, then let them do their own personal development on top of it. So I'll just teach them the basics, and if they want to learn further into it, they can do themselves with independent learning. And summarise really is you can basically learn about yourself and what you are capable of really, kind of see how far you can take your learning really, and what you actually do like and you don't like, because you come to the apprenticeship and you go into the job role, you may not like it, and 3a's will help you out to take you out of that job role. It's more finding out where you stand really in professional terms, where you stand in an IT business really, where do you want to go in that kind of role. And personally, it's the best way to go really, because you kind of find in the short term where you want to go in your life.
Well, I finished school and then I started up college at Bilborough, but I just didn't enjoy it. It wasn't really the path for me. So then I signed to 3aaa, and they found me an apprenticeship. It was really helpful because I started off by applying online for apprenticeships, and then when 3a's contacted me, it made stuff so much easier. They explained how the process would go. Within my job role, at the moment, it's a project that I'm working on, where I have to basically create a website and then use data from a service to then bring it onto the website and format it, make it look all nice. I enjoy it quite a lot because I get to learn stuff on the go, and also I get to see what I'm making, so it's good. Yeah, it's been alright. When I went there, I did KM1 module. I was with loads of nice people. The tutor was really nice and helpful. He explained everything to me, and the stuff that we learned there was like different roles within software development, and that's helped in the workplace as well. Yeah, it's been quite easy and a smooth transition from education. It's been really a nice experience.